Traditional for me speaks to the long history of educating young men and women in the field of hospitality and the personal pride I feel knowing that the School of Hospitality Business has fielded as many successful leaders across the hospitality spectrum as any other school in the country. Here's to the difference we've made thus far and to the next 100 years of success.
A few things stand out for me with regards to tradition. Spartans lead by example. Spartans foster connections. Spartans give back and are selfless. Whether mentoring current students, supporting alumni initiatives, or contributing to the MSU community, Spartan hospitality is about extending the same warmth and opportunities that have helped shape you along your journey.
The tradition of hospitality is all about service to other people. So whether it's in lodging, dining, retail, entertainment, it doesn't matter. It's about creating those memories, creating those enjoyable experiences for others and connecting with guests. That is what service is all about.